Ever heard of a fungus that turns ants into literal zombies? Meet the Ophiocordyceps fungus. This mind-bending parasite hijacks an ant's body, taking control of its movements. Here's the creepy part. It makes the ant climb to high places before it's killed. Why? So the fungus can release its spores from up high, spreading its kind far and wide. It's a chilling example of how nature's most bizarre parasites have evolved to ensure their survival. Buckle up and watch how the world of parasitism can be straight out of a sci-fi horror movie.